Is it time to buy or sell SQQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve into SQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2024, our system has categorized SQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.02. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.72% since we initially recommended purchasing SQQQ 6 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.12% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this downward movement. The analysis of the 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 10% over the coming 3 months. This could lead to returns ranging from a decline of 38% to a slight drop of 1%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a substantial decrease of around 52% over the next year, with possible returns falling between a decrease of 70% and 38%. In practical terms, this would suggest a price range between $2.91 and $6.06 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SQQ includes the headline: SQQQ ETF price took a fall of just over 9% on Thursday. The SQQ ETF price decreased by just over 9% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, dropping from $10.83 to $9.84. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 9.1%, with a low of $9.78 and a high of $10.67. The price has been unstable throughout this period, but there has been a gain of just over 5% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume also declined on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is typically a positive sign, as trading volume should ideally align with the ETF's movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 30 million shares, and in total, 220 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $23.34, while the lowest price was $7.14. Currently, the price sits 57.84%, or $13.50, below the 52-week high, and 98.78%, or $798.63, below the all-time high reached on the 12th of March, 2020, when the price soared to $808.47. The ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ ETF, known as SQQQ, has recently gained attention amidst significant market turmoil, particularly following the notable sell-off in the technology sector. On July 25th, the Nasdaq 100 index experienced its worst single-day drop since 2022, losing over 505 points. This decline was mainly triggered by mixed earnings reports from major players like Tesla and Alphabet. This volatility suggests a potential shift in sentiment towards artificial intelligence investments, signaling possible AI fatigue. SQQ, which aims to provide negative 3 times exposure to the Nasdaq, presents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity, particularly for short-term traders. Its recent volatility and increased trading volumes highlight its attractiveness to investors looking to capitalize on market declines. However, SQQQ is not designed for long-term holds, as prolonged bets against the market can result in significant losses. The recent rise in interest for bear market funds signifies a shift towards defensive strategies in uncertain times, which could lead to a more stable short-term performance for SQQQ if market conditions continue to deteriorate. As markets evolve, SQQQ's positioning will be critical for those looking to hedge against further declines in technology stocks. The following signals have been identified for SQQQ. The SQQ Exchange-Traded Fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $10. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $8.52. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 7, 2024, and to date, it has decreased by 9.14%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is identified. Notably, volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 18 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 180 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.22 and $8.13. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SQQQ finds support just below today's level at $9.22. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.13 and $7.46. This ETF can experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF moved 89 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 9.10%. For the past week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 9.38%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SQQQ is at $9.89. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SQQQ encounters its first support level at $9.22. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.45, reflecting a decrease of 3.98%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 21 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a good investment? SQQQ presents several positive indicators. However, these factors do not suffice for it to be classified as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of August, our expectation is that SQQQ will open at approximately 257 ten-thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $10.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.